How to boost your immune system with food. A healthy immune system is essential to your overall health and well-being. If you want to avoid catching viruses and developing other illnesses, it's critical to fortify your immune system. But while many people feel they need to achieve this through vitamins and supplements, it's more beneficial to understand how a healthy gut microbiome can help boost your immune system. To boost and maintain an efficient immune system, you must eat the right foods and maintain a healthy gut. And that is why this video is sponsored by Ombre Lab. According to the Cleveland Clinic, inflammatory foods are often the cause of a weak immune system, so it's essential to pay close attention to your diet and eat many foods with anti-inflammatory properties. If you are often fatigued, get cold frequently, have digestive issues, or have skin infections often, these 6 foods we will talk about in this video may not be all you need to fix your weak immune system. So if you are interested in finding out whether an unhealthy gut is a reason for your weak immune system, you should check out the sponsor of this video, Ombre. Because their gut test will not only reveal the source of all your health problems, but they will recommend the best foods specifically best for you based on the result of your gut test. Their gut test is reliable, and they have asked me to give a $30 discount for the test if you are interested. The discount code link is in the description below. To boost your immune system with food, here are the 6 most impactful things you can do. 1. Eat a lot of fruits. Most fruits offer plenty of health benefits. However, the best fruits that boost your immune system are those that contain plenty of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant essential to boosting immunity, fighting free radicals, and supporting several cellular functions. The best vitamin C-rich fruits you can eat are guava, kiwi, and lychee. Citrus fruits like grapefruit and oranges are also beneficial. 2. Eat plenty of leafy greens. Leafy greens are also rich in vitamin C and have the additional benefit of being rich in vitamin K, folate, and various immunity-boosting minerals. In fact, according to a 2011 study published by Cell Press, green vegetables were proven to be critical to a properly functioning immune system. Your best options include kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. 3. Consume more omega-3 fatty acids. In a study led by researchers from the University of Gothenburg, researchers demonstrated the positive effects of omega-3 fatty acids on the various cells that make up the immune system. To gain the most benefits, eat high omega-3 foods like fatty fish, for example, salmon, sardines, and mackerel, nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and chia, and plant oils like avocado oil, soybean oil, and flaxseed oil. 4. Eat lots of shellfish. Shellfish might not seem like an obvious choice for preventing illness, but they're rich in immunity-boosting minerals like zinc and selenium. Your best options include oysters, clams, and crabs. However, it's important to note that you should avoid consuming raw shellfish if your immune system is already compromised. 5. Spice up your meals. Some of the most commonly used spices offer plenty of benefits to your immune system. In a study published by the International Journal of Preventive Medicine, ginger was noted for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidative effects. According to researchers from the University of Cape Town, garlic offers similar benefits and has significant anti-cancer effects. 6. Be mindful of your fat intake. Trans fats and saturated fats are incredibly damaging to your immune system. To support your overall health and your ability to fight disease, you should avoid overeating red meat, butter, and palm oil. It would be best also to stay away from deep-fried foods and commercially made baked goods. Indeed, boosting your immune system through your diet might involve a significant lifestyle change, or just a few simple tweaks to how and what you eat. No matter how difficult it might be, the benefits are substantial since a solid immune system won't just keep you from getting sick, but also daily improve your mood and energy levels. Following are study references we used in creating this video to help start you on your own path. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.